If you've been looking for your waterfront paradise in tropical South Texas, look no further. 1021 Scallop is the one you've been waiting for. The community of Long Island Village has tons of amenities for you to enjoy, and you might even see a rocket launch from nearby SpaceX. Located in Port Isabel, Texas, this sea cottage has everything you need for a weekend of boating, fishing, or relaxing on the beach. Or maybe you might decide to make it your permanent residence.
Hello, and welcome to 1021 Scallop. Come on in and have a look around. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is a great place to entertain your family and friends after a round of golf or a day at the beach. The kitchen has gorgeous quartz countertops, newer stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. Let's take a look at the pantry and the utility room. Down this hallway, we'll find a spacious bedroom with ample closet space and a beautifully remodeled bath. Now let's visit the second floor, where we'll find a spacious bedroom, another full bath, and an amazing amount of storage space. This loft-style bedroom has a vaulted ceiling, ample closet space, and easy access to the upstairs bath. There is an unbelievable amount of storage space on this second floor. Check this out. But wait, there's more. And more.
In addition to the attic, this home features plenty of storage spaces throughout. Now that we've explored the interior, let's visit the outdoor spaces.
And now let's head down to the lower level, where we'll find a covered deck, a dock with a boat lift, a storage room, and covered parking for 2 vehicles. And of course, access to the water.
Now let's visit the Long Island Village amenities. There's an outdoor pool, poolside picnic area, indoor heated pool, 18-hole par 3 golf course, mini golf, and sports courts that include tennis, pickleball, basketball, and shuffleboard. The community center has an event hall, restaurant, library, mail room, laundry, crafting room, and billiards. And that concludes our tour of 1021 Scallop in Long Island Village. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.